videos to show how to replace the existing vent latch on a 6800 double hung by Interstate with the WOCD child safety device. The first thing is you take a 1/2-inch chisel, apply it to the edge of the existing vent latch and pry it out. It comes out very easily. Then in the same punch hole, insert the WOCD device. The bottom goes into the punch hole first and press the top edge in, actually finishing the installation. That would be on the left side. Now I'll zoom in a little so we can show how you remove it and replace the new one. Bottom edge goes in with the dot down, push the top edge in with your thumb, it's installed. Very simple. And the operation is unlock the window to test the device. And when you operate it, it will travel past and then it'll reset when you close the window.